OnePlus is launching the new Buds and the name is OnePlus Nord Buds. The Nord Buds TWS will be the first product other than the smartphone under this new Nord series. Also the TWS will be really affordable in terms of pricing. Now if you look at this design, this one is the semi-in-ear design. Also we have this flat design supporting the earbuds. If we talk about the specs, this one features the 12.4mm drivers and the Bluetooth connectivity will be the Bluetooth 5.2. Now in TWS the main important thing is the battery life. Now the Nord Buds will feature the 41 mAh battery and inside this case we have 480 mAh of battery. Now along with this charging case we will get total of up to 30 hours of battery life, and on a single charge this one run up to 7 hours. Also according to leaks, this one features some fast charging, and if you charge it only 10 minutes then you will get 5 hours of listening time. Also the earbuds will be protected by the IP55 rating, which is the splash resistance. Also the Nord Buds are really low cost device and that is why they don't support ANC here. Also in terms of the color option, we will get 3 different color options. The first one is this black color, we also get white color option, and yeah, we have blue option too. In terms of the release date, I think they will launch this device on April 28 in the new launch event in India. And in terms of the pricing, this one will be available around $40, or we can say 2,500 rupees to 3,000 rupees, and this one will be the most affordable TWS from OnePlus. And with this new OnePlus Nord Buds, OnePlus is entering into this low cost device market. So yeah, if you need the low budget TWS, then this one will be a really good option here. Now we look at this design, it looks really good in both the colors, which are black and white. But yeah, it does not have the ANC, but we also have to consider the pricing here. And yeah, we finally have some really good option here in terms of this budget segment of TWS. For the around $40 you are getting a really good OnePlus Buds, and that is surprising. So yeah guys, finally OnePlus is entering into this low cost market and it will be interesting to see how this product performs. What do you guys think about this new Buds from OnePlus Nord? Please comment down below, and yeah, thank you for watching this video. We will meet again in my next video.